Okay, so this is the second financial mass question for the June exam. And here we go. An investment earns a nominal interest rate of 12% per annum compounded monthly. So that's the yearly interest rate per annum. Calculate the effective interest rate. Well, the way effective interest rate is it's always, when it's compounded more times, the interest rate goes up a little bit. You know you've done the question, right? If it goes up a little bit. And what it is 1 year's worth of interest. So you go 1 plus I, which is 0.12 monthly, so it's divided by 12. And 1 year is 12 months, so you put a 12 there. But then you'll get this answer. It'll be 1.12.68. You have to take away 1. So you put it in your calculator, you must subtract 1, and you'll get the effective interest rate. 1 year's worth of interest. Take away 1, and there it is, 0.1268. That's 12.68%. And there you go. That's the first question. The next question is, 17,000 is deposited in an account. Determine the value of the investment in 5 years. So what you do is you take 17,000. It's still just the basic. You start with to figure out how much money you're going to end up. You take the money you invest. That's P. That's why you put it in where 17,000 goes. And it's 1 plus I. And in grade 8, and 9, and 10, you just had to put an interest rate in there. But in grade 12, there was this monthly thing. So 12% is 0.12. And because it's monthly, you've got to divide by 12. Now, every month, the interest turns over. So in 5 years, there's a lot of months. It's 5 times 12. It'll turn over 60 months. So all you do is take your calculator, type 17,000, a bracket, 1 plus 0.12 over 12, and put it to the 60th power, and you're going to have your answer there. It's 30,883 Rand and 84 cents when you round it off, right? And that's the second question. I think we might have enough time to do the third question here. Let's just do it all in the one video. If you have 50,000 Rand and it gets invested in a bank, and then 4 years later, another 30,000 is added to the investment. Calculate the accumulated total of the investment at the end of 8 years if the interest is 7.2% compounded monthly. Well, you need to draw a line to make sense of this thing. In the beginning, 50,000 gets added. So I draw a picture like this. Then after 4 years, another 30,000 is going to get added. Now, after 8 years, that'd be another 4 years. There's the money that we're going to end up with at the end of 8 years. Now, this is the way I like to do it. There's two periods here I have to figure out. The first period is, I call it the amount A1. We just take 50,000 and grow it at the interest rate for 4 times 12, 4 years. So it's 4 times 12 to make 48. It's monthly, that's why you divide by 12. There's your first amount. Now, what you have to do is take that first amount in your calculator and add 30,000, and you'll get an answer. There's where it says answer there. That's what I did. Then you go times. Well, it's another 4 years with the same interest rate. So just let it grow for 4 times 12. And that's it. So I put that in my calculator, that answer, times that for 40, and I got 128,770 Rand and 77 cents. And that's the amount you'll end up with at the end of 8 years.